Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm working on a small home improvement project where I will be replacing an old wall outlet with one of these. It's the USB wall outlet. I got it on Amazon. I'm trying to upgrade my home little by little. It's affordable and easy to install, and I will definitely provide the link in the description box below for you if you want to get it. Alright, so first things first, go ahead and find your electrical service panel in your home. It's also known as a breaker box or fuse box. The panel receives the incoming power from the electrical utility and distributes the power to the various circuits of the house. So go ahead and unscrew your original outlet. It's pretty easy, you just need a screwdriver. Make sure you plug in a device just to see if it's working or not. You can plug in your phone, see if it's charging. If it's not, then you're totally safe. And then keep unscrewing. Anyone can do this, but it's also smart to make sure everything is turned off. So once you have all the screws out in place, pull out the outlet and you will find some wires. Now certain outlets will have a different number of wires, so I tried another outlet and it's just 5 wires. So I decided to avoid that outlet and chose another one in a different part of my room. And usually you will see a black wire, a white wire, a red wire, and a green wire. Go ahead and unhook the black and white wire as well as the green wire on the side. So go ahead and unscrew the wire that has that little loophole, and then simply replace that with your new one with the USB outlet. In the back it will say black or white, so it should guide you. It's pretty self-explanatory. So make sure the bronze wires are showing and connected to the back. Just twist it in all the way if you can, and like the previous outlet, make a little loop for the green wire. Make sure the screw is loose, and once you connect the green wire onto the screw, you can tighten the screw to make it secure. And that's it. Make sure all your wires are stuck in place, and once you have that ready, go ahead and slowly, carefully bend the wires back into the wall and screw it back up. There is a side covering where it does not need any screws on the outside. It's actually a 2-layer part. So once you have that first layer on, go ahead and put the 2 other screws onto that layer and then click in the overlapping last border side panel. And there you go, that's it. Thanks for watching.